What's up, pussies? Deal with against 52-inch, monthly 50-inch Casablanca dust the toe and make an off-white finish. It came with a change in my bike, but then come with the screws for it, so I was putting away my bike for testing. And then I come with boy screws, so I found a couple, but none nuts at the balls come off my porch buster to the sitting on my table right now. For that reason. So, yeah, fingers up water on her a little bit like that. And then, guess I did kickstart it because I'm not running all day foot speed up. I'm going to find that good for far long, but whatever. One bridge will break down by the time I get back in the line. It's got beautiful road. It's not super slow like somehow. I just kind of. He'll know. So bring us on a low speed. Very pleasing with low speed. I'm like the symbol over here in the tissue. Yeah. Look at me. What's that? Stop. Alright. Chill, Daddy. Yeah. Spat! I felt air over here, lady. Sound boys from fucking my great sound. I guess what? Yeah. So I cut that. Trying to get bored. Well, I understand you're waiting for saying I get bored, people. So I don't get their videos. Okay, motherfuckers. And also, I tell you, when I catch the plane, guys, we got high. Swallows are pushy, but flies was good air. Oh yeah, I feel over here, no problem. It's cool now, big room. This room had bigger brick house in it. I was in the middle of the room. And it was big room too. It cooled off, no problem. Well, it brought air around the room, no problem. Fans on old school rooms if it was that hot, big room I mean. Great. Let's see. I went down too long. Really. That was. Please don't fall. I'll give about to him a minute. Alright, yeah, about him a minute. While we get close to the shit with. Alright. Stand down. Don't want to spend how long it's been on to get a take on this mode. Bye bye bye. stop top I wasn't. Hopefully won't wait on too long. That's really fast. So how you go to boys are. It's gonna be ow! If I'm medium, this ball's point in the doorway like this. And I ain't gonna lie, that's almost useful. Have this in the boots and what it's at, because the boat's not in the doorway. Usually you want that to separate. It's like perfect, it's not wobble, it's not crazy. But you want a lot in the door, so reverse. Oh yeah. See, that's just crazy. How much just goes wrong right in the doorway. Fucking these nuts. It's me. Alright, tilt the camera don't stop on this time. I go grab it. Bitch! You cunt. Alright. Alright. Let's go to the pussy. Alright, here's off. My good shape scratches over. I cleaned it today so it looks a little better. Stop moving. It's Casablanca logo on the pole. Stick off white finish. I don't know what finish this really is, honestly. Forget. Get the tag. I bought a tag. We got a tag. I can't reach. It's small for my eyes, so I'm gonna let you guys go. There's a bright bracket. Bright, stupid pitch. I don't think there's any tags on top. Sometimes there could be one. But I think that's the whole tag on these. Like if I could just do top. This, shoot, top. See, top, I don't see a single tag, so. Yeah, so. There it is. So. But yeah. Yeah, wash all the screws and circuits on there. No, probably some good shit. So. Put back to work. Alright, bye bye, pussy.